Discover the Commercial Bank of Dubai. In this video, we explore the features, services, and user experience of this popular UAE bank. Find product links below. CBD offers diverse banking solutions for individuals and businesses. Whether it's personal banking, savings, loans, or business services, CBD meets your needs. Their digital banking shines. The mobile app and online platform are intuitive and packed with features. Manage your finances securely from anywhere with real-time updates and a seamless interface. CBD offers various credit and debit cards with appealing rewards like cashback, travel benefits, and discounts. Customer service is excellent, with prompt support online and in-branch. Need financial flexibility? CBD provides personal, home, and car loans with competitive rates and easy online applications. CBD prioritizes efficient, customer-focused service and digital innovation. User-friendly tools and personalized products cater to both expats and UAE nationals. Whether you travel frequently or prefer hassle-free banking, CBD enhances your experience. The Commercial Bank of Dubai excels in convenience, customer service, and digital services. Seeking a reliable UAE bank? CBD is worth considering.